BLACKFIRE Paint Sealant is nothing like other paint sealants on the market. What makes BLACKFIRE Sealant different and better is the proprietary blend of 3 different synthetic polymers working in unison to maximize gloss and slickness with extremely durable protection. The key thing everyone loves about this paint sealant is how slick it makes the paint feel, plus how long it lasts. Longevity is important, but speaking for myself, I love it when my car's paint feels slippery to the touch or when I wipe over the paint with a microfiber towel. It's versatile in that you can apply it by hand or machine using any orbital polisher and a soft foam finishing pad. Better yet, this sealant applies super thin, dries fast, and wipes off so incredibly easy you can apply it to your entire car at once and then remove. It leaves a super clear, deep wet shine that holds up to inclement weather or repeated washings. You get durable protection that's easy to apply and wipe off, and a blinding shine that's slick to the touch. Visit Autogeek.com for more information.